Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I bring you this advice so that you can make a hologram projector for your phones, tablets or even monitors or televisions. It is very easy to do and it is honestly impressive to have this type of technology at our fingertips. And if you have small children, they will be amazed when they see these types of images. There are also thousands of videos to choose from and watch so you can enjoy them as a family. So let's see what we will need to do it. We are going to need a notebook or preferably a grid sheet, a piece of cardboard or folder that is optional, sheets of acetate or transparent mica, preferably the thickest they can find, scissors, a knife that is also optional, a ruler, a pen to mark the lines we need, adhesive tape, and last but most importantly our phone or tablet that can play videos on YouTube. Now let's see how it's done. We take our notebook or sheet of paper that we have and with the ruler we are going to draw a line of exactly 6 centimeters. Then we mark the middle of this, which is 3 centimeters away, and we mark a vertical line of 4 centimeters as I show you. At the tip of this we put 3 lines, the one in the center and 2 on one side, half a centimeter each, and then we draw the lines over these marks as shown on the screen. Once these 3 lines are made, we should have 2 horizontal lines. Now just join them so that they form a kind of pyramid, making it as exact as you can so that it doesn't end up crooked. When you finish you should have this triangle with the following measurements, all calculated in centimeters, the base measuring 6 centimeters, the upper one measuring 1 centimeter, a central measuring 4 centimeters and 2 lateral measuring 5 centimeters. Feel free to pause the video at any time so you don't get confused. Now we just take our scissors and cut the leaf following the lines of the figure, making it as neat as possible. When we already have the template, now we just take the folder or cardboard and with the paper template we are going to form another one but with a thicker material, which in this case is cardboard. They only take the paper as a reference to leave it the same size as shown on the screen. We take our acetate or mica and do exactly the same, only now we are going to cut out 4 figures. So try to make the most of the material in case you want to make more than one or separate a larger one like the one I will show you in a moment. Once we cut them all, just arrange them this way and with a little adhesive tape stick them together, making sure they are exactly so that our pyramid can be formed, which will be our projector. Preferably cut small pieces of Direx and glue one at the top and one at the bottom so that it is more stable, but the important thing is that it fits well. Now that we are all glued together, we just take and put them together so that the pyramid that I mentioned is formed, as shown in the video. Just try to keep it firm so that it can be stuck with the adhesive tape and not come apart. When finished it should look like this. Now just take your phone or tablet and open your YouTube application. Put holograms in the search engine and the search will show you many videos of holograms that you can use to show them to your friends or family. In this case I am going to choose the first one, but you can look for the one you like the most. We just reproduce it making sure that there are 4 images on the screen and we just place our projector that we just made and put it in the middle of where the images are being reproduced as I show them on the screen. Now just turn off the lights or go somewhere dark and enjoy. As you can see, they look amazing and really like a hologram that we could only see in movies or with other types of technology. I know all your family and friends are going to love it, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you have small children they will be surprised by this. Apart from that there are several videos on YouTube of characters they like such as Minions, Disney characters, etc. All you have to do is look for him and you will find many that you like. And as you can see, by just duplicating the measurements you can also do it for your tablet and it will look even better. Follow exactly the same steps that we did to make this one, only that instead of 6 centimeters it is 12 and so on with all the other measurements. So come with just a sheet of acetate or transparent mica and a little bit of tape. We can make our own hologram projector that I know will be fun for a good deal. And the best of all is that almost without spending anything, which, as you know, is always the main objective of the channel. As you already know, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.